In this video, I'll show you how to fix your HDMI problems that you're having with your Hisense TV. I'll show you a few tips and solutions, so let's get started. Solution number one is very easy. You have to unplug every HDMI devices on the back of your Hisense TV. Then unplug the TV from the wall socket so there is no electricity and wait during 5 minutes. During this 5 minutes, you can find the power button that is often located on the back of your Hisense TV or in the front under it, and press on that button during 30 seconds. Then when the time has passed, release that button, and when the 5 minutes has passed, you can plug back your Hisense TV in the wall socket and plug back one by one each HDMI devices. If you're still having the problem, what I suggest to you is to try another HDMI cable. With time, those HDMI cables go bad and don't work properly. So I'm sure you have another one laying around your house. Just pick it up and try it instead of the one you're usually using. I have also put a link in the description if you want to get a brand new one from Amazon. This way we'll know if it's the TV's fault or it's just a cable problem. For the third solution, what I suggest is that you take your finger and press very firmly on each HDMI port on the back of your TV. This way, sometimes it gets disconnected from the motherboard. By pushing it very well, you can reconnect them and it will work again. Even when you connect the HDMI cable, just push a bit more than usual to make sure that this connection is staying firmly attached. Another thing that you can check is on the back of your Hisense TV, each HDMI port have a number, 1, 2 or 3. On the remote control, you should select that button that is right there in the middle of the screen that has 3 lines. This is the input button. By pressing it, you'll be able to choose which HDMI port you want to use. So if the cable was connected in HDMI 1, then select on the screen HDMI 1. Some Hisense TV even have a button on the back of them which will let you select the inputs. Finally, you can factory reset your Hisense TV. This will delete every apps, every personal data from your TV, but it will be restored as new. I have put on the screen 2 different ways that you can factory reset your Hisense TV, depending if it's an older model or a newer one. I really hope one of these tricks helped you. Please leave a comment down below to tell me. If you have other tips regarding this HDMI trouble, please again type in the comments down below. Leave a like and I will see you in the next one.